Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone supports a clap-defined app and that you grant microphone permission. This is essential for detection. Open the app, allow notifications, and set a practical sensitivity level so normal background noise won't trigger false positives. Once done, place the phone face up in a typical resting spot with the mic unobstructed. Make sure battery optimization won't kill background listening. Disable aggressive battery restrictors for the app so claps are heard consistently. Now you adjust and test detection so the system reliably recognizes your clap pattern. Start with 1 to 3 trial claps from different rooms. Increase sensitivity if missed, decrease if false triggers occur. Once you find a reliable setting, choose the specific pattern, single, double, or triple claps, so accidental sounds won't activate it. Then select a loud, unmistakable alert like ringtone plus LED flash. Make sure the app runs in background mode and is excluded from sleeping by the OS for continuous listening. Finish by locking the app into background operation and verify Do Not Disturb allows its alerts. This prevents the phone from staying silent when found. Once configured, do a full realistic test from other rooms and refine sensitivity or change the clap pattern for fewer false positives. If it fails, recalibrate, grant microphone permission again, and confirm battery optimization is off. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the phone and retest. Many detection issues resolve after a quick reboot and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.